Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. Today, I've got something crucial for all you Hamilton Beach FlexBrew owners out there. It's the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Coffee Maker Bottom Needle K-Cup Holder Replacement by Hakano. Now let's dive into why this little accessory is an absolute game changer. First off, compatibility. This thing fits most Hamilton Beach FlexBrew coffee maker models, ensuring you won't have any compatibility issues. Plus, it's built to last with its durable needle design, so you're investing in a long-term solution here. Installation? Piece of cake. Seriously, you don't need to be a DIY guru to get this thing set up. It's as easy as popping out the old one and slotting this replacement in. And the best part? It ensures proper brewing every single time, which means you're getting the optimal flavor from your coffee. Let's talk quality. Hakano doesn't mess around. This replacement part is top-notch, maintaining the high standards you expect from your FlexBrew coffee maker. No compromises on quality here, folks. Now, some of you might be wondering, but why do I need to replace it? Well, over time, these parts can wear out or get clogged, affecting the brewing process and ultimately, your coffee's taste. So, think of it as giving your coffee maker a tune-up for peak performance. Wrapping it up, if you own a Hamilton Beach FlexBrew, this replacement part is a must-have. It's easy to install, durable, and ensures you're getting the best brew every time. Trust me, you won't regret it. Grab yours now and thank me later. Cheers to better coffee. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.